Setting up your Facebook business page. So now before setting up your Facebook business page, there's going to be a couple things that you want to consider. You always want to brand you and not your company, unless you own the company. So now what this means is you want to brand yourself. So if you are a rep for a company or something like that, you want to make sure that you're not representing the company, you're representing yourself and branding you. Now this doesn't matter if you own a pizzeria, if you are a rep for a company like I said before, if you're a coach, if you provide other services. So now you always want to be branding yourself and not necessarily the company's name. For instance, since I actually work in the home business or network marketing atmosphere, what you want to do is you actually want to brand yourself and not that company, because as we all know, those companies could come and go. But at the end of the day, you want to make sure that you're branding yourself and the value that you provide and the services that you provide, and not just something that you have no control over except for maybe those products that you're selling for that company. Always make sure you brand you. There are going to be a couple of things that you're going to want to make sure that you decide. So you have to decide, is your page going to be product centric or is it going to be business centric? Are you going to be focused on products and services that you provide, or are you going to actually be more focused on the business aspect of it and sharing the opportunity with people? For example, if you are with a health and wellness company and you are letting everyone know the benefits of the product or the benefits of the benefits, then that's what you're going to actually want to be talking about, and not necessarily what the products are or what the ingredients are. What does your product actually do for people? What are the benefits? What result can you get for other people is what they want to know. So just like we filled out in our worksheet earlier, it's going to be the benefits of the benefits, and you have to keep in mind that people are interested in what is in it for them. And then on the other side of it, if you're looking to promote more of the business aspect, then you're going to be more talking to entrepreneurs. You're going to be talking about how the business can benefit them or what the business can do to improve their life. The next thing that we want to do is actually choose the appropriate category for our business page. So what I'm going to do here in just a second is actually share with you a video of what you actually want to do when you're sharing your business page. First thing that you want to actually look at for your business page is you want to make sure that you have a professional photo or image of yourself as a cover photo or just as your actual profile photo. Now, this does not mean that you need to go out and have professional pictures done with a photographer. It can be something that is off your phone or something that someone else took from you, but just something that looks more professional and not doing body shots at the bar or something. Most important, you want to just make sure that this photo is something that resonates with you, and then also something that resonates with your audience. A couple of things that you want to actually stay away from are photos that almost look like they might be spamish of some sort. So it could be anything like money on a bed, or pictures of vehicles or houses that they don't actually own. They're just taking photos of. Those are kind of the spammy pictures that you want to stay away from. They don't really help anyone. Keep in mind, you just want to make sure that this photo resonates with you. So it could be a picture of yourself, it could be a picture of you and your family, it could be some type of, I'm not a big quote guy, but even I think some type of a photo with a quote is better than a bed full of money. So just something that resonates with you and tells a little bit about you. You just want to make sure your cover photo represents who you are. The next section that you want to make sure that you complete and pay attention to is the About Me section. Now, the About Me section you want to keep very simple. You do X for Y. So if you are a network marketer that helps people get leads, something simple and quick to the point. It could also be something as simple as I provide health and wellness tips for single mothers. There's tons of things that you can go with here. I would suggest to keep it simple. You want to run through the settings and make sure you fill out as much of the information as possible. So give people the information, because people are going to be there checking out your page and they're going to want to know what it is that you do and how you can help them. In the next couple of steps here, I'm going to share a short video with you that's going to run through and actually show you a little bit more of the information I'm talking about in these slides here. So,
creating a page for your business is free and it's quick to set up. Just click the arrow in the top right corner and select Create Page. Select the category for your business and enter your business info. Then click Get Started. Here, you'll enter additional info about your business. Entering this info makes it easier for people to find you on Facebook and find your page in a web search. Next, add a picture for your page, like your logo or a picture of your business. You can also add your page to your favorites, so you can easily access it from your Facebook account. And finally, you can run an ad so you can let people know about your Facebook page. If you don't want to run an ad, just click Skip, and your page is ready to go. To learn more about pages, visit this URL